Hello everyone, welcome to my series From Manual to AI Enabled Testing. This course is designed for QA engineers who want to understand how AI is changing testing and how to stay relevant. In this video, we will explore the AI landscape, a simple map to understand where everything fits, especially LLM like ChatGPT, Cloudy, Google Gemini, and GitHub Copilot. And most importantly, what it means for your career as a tester. Let's start with the layer 1, artificial intelligence. As you can see, this is the outermost circle, which means it's the broadest concept. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is simply any system that mimics human intelligence to make decisions and solve problems. Let me give you an example. When a defect is automatically assigned high priority based on keywords like payment failed or login issue, that's AI. It's following predefined rules. It's mimicking how a tester would think. Another example, if your system automatically selects critical test case for regression based on impacted modules, that's AI. It's making decisions similar to an experienced tester. So the key idea here is AI doesn't always mean something complex. Even simple rule-based system that mimics human thinking are part of artificial intelligence. Now let's go one level deeper. Machine learning. As you can see, this sits inside artificial intelligence. The key difference here is we don't write rules anymore. Instead, the system learns pattern from data and figures things out of its own. Let me give you an example. Imagine a model trained on past defects. It analyzes bug history, impacted modules, patterns like frequent failures, recent changes, and repeated bugs or defects, and then predicts which areas of the applications are high risk. You didn't define those rules. The system learned from the data. That's machine learning. Now let's go one level deeper, deep learning. As you can see, this sits inside the machine learning. Deep learning uses neural networks with multiple layers. You can think it of like a more powerful brain that can understand complex data. This is especially used for things like images, audio, and natural language. Let me give you an example. In testing, visual testing tools can look at screenshot of your application and detect UI issues like layout problems or misalignment elements. The traditional tools just compare pixels. They check if two images are exactly same. But deep learning based tools go beyond that. They actually understand what's in the screen like button, text and layout. That's deep learning. Now let's go one level deeper, generative AI. As you can see, this sits inside the deep learning. The key difference here is the generative AI doesn't just analyze the data, it actually creates new content. It can generate text, code, images, and even test cases from scratch. Let me give you an example. Imagine you describe a feature like a login page and the system generate a complete test plan with test case and expected results. This is completely new content. That's generative AI. Now comes the most important innermost circle, LLM, large language models. So LLMs are type of generative AI trained specifically on human language at a massive scale. They are trained on data like code, documentation, bug reports, and test cases. That's why they can understand context, intent, and even the way we communicate. Tools like ChatGPT, Cloudy, Google Gemini, GitHub Copilot, all are the examples of LLMs. And this is the technology that is going to transform how you work as a tester. Now, here a quick question. Where does Selenium or any automation tool fits in this entire AI map? The answer is it doesn't. The Selenium is an automation tool, not AI. It follows rules you write. So, based on the program sequence, it is going to execute. And UI changes, script will fail. And there is no understanding of the context. But AI tool, they learn, understand the context, and even generate test steps. And this difference will change how testing is done. So here the big takeaways. AI replaces tasks, not thinkers. Let's quickly recap. AI acts intelligently. Machine learning learns from data. Deep learning understands complex pattern. Generative AI creates the content, and LLM work with human language. Now the real question, will AI replace QA engineers? No. But testers who use AI will replace those who don't. And this is where testing is heading. In the next video, we'll go inside LLM and see exactly what happens when you type a prompt step by step. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.